chicken.
All chicken, right?
All chicken?
Oh, there is vegetarian.
Oh, chicken.
This is chicken or veg?
Chicken. One veg.
All right. No, no, no.
ആകപ്പാടുള്ള സങ്കടം
Ah.
മനുഷ്യന് മലയാളിയായി കിട്ടിയിട്ടില്ല.
Dohaman. അപ്പോൾ ഇതാണ് നമ്മളുടെ VIP ഏരിയ, ഹോസ്പിറ്റാലിറ്റി ലൗഞ്ച് ചെയ്ത് പയനീർ വോളണ്ടിയേഴ്സ് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് കൂടിയുള്ള. Do something.
You want me to do something? I don't need to take a picture of this thing.
Hello.
We need to do hello. Hi.
എന്തെങ്കിലും കാണിക്ക്.
നമസ്കാരം.
ആ ഇത് കൂളായി നാടൻ.
കണ്ണൂർ ഭാഷയിൽ
ഒരു ഹായ് കേൾക്ക്.
അങ്ങനെ അത് പറയണ്ട നിങ്ങൾ. ഞങ്ങൾ എഴുതി വീഡിയോ ആണോ?
ആ ഇവിടെ ആ ഫുഡില് മിസ് ചെയ്യാന്ന്. ഇനി ഇതുപോലെ മീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന വരില്ല.
And that resulted in 20,000 volunteers being selected. And in fact, we have volunteers from over 203 countries, and that is this year's tournament.
You, the volunteers, are the heartbeat of the tournament as we showcase Stubborn to the world. We are grateful to have you with us at Lucid Stadium, the stunning venue for the fans of the FIFA. Today, you're helping us test out this amazing venue.
Well, let me tell you guys, I have never had a chance to make it down to the volunteer center, but I did hear backstage. The experience is amazing.
That's right. Let's take a look at the best part of your journey so far.
And the region, as we are 78 days to go from hosting the first ever FIFA World Cup in the Middle East. Together, near and far, each one of you here tonight represent the team.
definitely going to have my kids volunteer with me. So I also know that there is a volunteer from Pakistan that's born in Qatar. His name is Ali. I guess he's here too. He volunteered. He also invited his parents, his family to volunteer, and now they're also volunteering with him. It's amazing to be able to bring your family together over a meal, to sit down and not have to talk about the typical things you talk about, but you're actually talking about something that you're doing together. You know, for us, you know, organizing the World Cup is a job. The volunteers, they're doing this out of their hearts because they want to do it. So I think it gives them a sense of pride and it gives them a sense of purpose that, you know, you don't get that unless you do something like volunteering. So once again, thank you.
Yeah, I mean, the goals, sustainability, inclusivity is a thread that runs through the entire World Cup and also, obviously, the volunteer programme. We have 155 nationalities represented with you here and our international volunteers online. All 32 participating team nationalities are represented, 6 continents. I think there's even 8 Irish, so wherever you are, hello. So there's a broad spectrum, it's inclusive, it's open to all, young, old, male, female, and people of all abilities.
People get from volunteering isn't something that they know before they volunteer. The sense of fulfillment that you get when you volunteer is something you don't know before you volunteer. You have this greater sense of a higher purpose. And we're about 20,000 people here today. 20,000 people, we're going to get this sense of purpose. And we're going to feel the pride of volunteering. It's going to be infectious to the society. And I think that after this program, there's going to be a bigger culture of volunteering here in Qatar. So, with all 20,000 of you here today, you're going to have 4,000 international volunteers joining you as well for the World Cup. So I ask you to welcome them, make them feel at home, and make Qatar proud.
Here for the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. I commit to performing this role responsibly, professionally, and in accordance with the rules and regulations of the FIFA Volunteer Program. I will be a proactive and mindful team member, and as so, I will treat my fellow volunteers, staff, and spectators with respect and without any form of discrimination. I will do my best to help others to live their best experience in Qatar, and with them, I will share my joy of volunteering. They will witness my enthusiasm, patience, kindness, and a welcoming smile.
And now, volunteers, we are down to the last 3 lines of the oath. On the screen above, you will be able to read the lines with us. I want to hear 20,000 volunteers reciting the oath with us. Are you ready? We go in 3, 2, 1.
We will put our hearts into every single task in this moment, in this unique moment of our lives, to deliver an amazing FIFA World Cup.
Understand the impact that you have on families, on the responsibility to make it not only an amazing time for the players, the staff, but also yourself. I basically remember from Germany, South Africa, Brazil, Russia, and now going to be in Qatar. But when I got off the plane, the first thing that I seen was the volunteers. Next, going from the hotel to the stadium, everywhere we went, everywhere we looked, we were helped. But I think the most beautiful thing was the relationship my family, my teammates had, and the connection. So now it's always a dream to be a player and play in the World Cup, and I know it's a dream to be a part of this World Cup, to share the Qatari hospitality, to share your energy, your ambitions, and be prepared for the biggest show on earth, which is here in Qatar.
What do you think about the uniform?
Sorry?
How was the uniform?
It was great.
Great?
I liked it.
You love it? You love it?
Yeah.
What about you?
I can't wait to wear the uniform.
യൂണിഫോമിനെ കുറിച്ച് പറ.
യൂണിഫോം അടിപൊളിയായിട്ടുണ്ട്. നല്ല കളറാണ്, നല്ല കളർഫുൾ യൂണിഫോം.
അറബ് കപ്പ് ഏതാ നല്ലത്?
അറബ് കപ്പിനെക്കാട്ടും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടത് ഫിഫ വേൾഡ് കപ്പ് യൂണിഫോമാണ്. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും.
അഹമ്മദേ, യൂണിഫോം എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്?
കാണാറില്ല, വെറൈറ്റി സാധനം.
വെറൈറ്റി സാധനം. യൂണിഫോമിനെ കുറിച്ച് പറ.
അടിപൊളി അടിപൊളി.
നിങ്ങളോ? ആ ജുനുവടെ എവിടെയാണ്? മെമ്മറി ഫുള്ളായിട്ടില്ല. അല്ല, അതിന്റെ കാര്യം ഇവിടെ പറയരുത്, അതിവിടെ പറയരുത്, അത് വേറെ കഥ. നിങ്ങളെ നേരത്തെ എന്തോ പറഞ്ഞില്ല? എന്തോ പറഞ്ഞില്ല?